In this lecture, I will show how to install Spring Tool Suite. Spring Tool Suite is a very powerful IDE that helps us build Spring-based projects very easily. Launch your web browser and search for Spring Tool Suite Download. Spring Tool Suite Download. Click on the downloads link. Spring Tool Suite is built on the Eclipse platform, so it is very similar to Eclipse with special support for Spring-based projects. So on the downloads page, you will see the downloads for different operating systems. If you are on Windows, click this. If you are on Mac, this. And for Linux, there is another link. Once you download, it will be a zip file. Unzip the contents of it, and you will see on Mac, it will be sts.app. You will see the following folder. On Windows, it will be sts.exe. To launch STS, double click it, and you need to choose a workspace. This is similar to how you use Eclipse. This workspace is a folder where all your projects will be saved on your machine. For me, it is under my documents. I have chosen a folder. You can create a folder wherever you want on your machine and point it to that. Click on launch. That will take us to the workspace in STS. And you are ready to create and work with Spring projects.